Where are you going?
Trick or treating into the truck!
What? Yeah, see, there's lots of cars and people, so you got to stay by us, okay?
Oh my God!
What are you excited for?
Everything!
And then you find your armholes.
Trunk or treating.
Right here.
Yeah, where's the trunk or treating?
Wait. Get your promise.
The banana! And Pikachu!
Pikachu! The tires are.
Are they bigger or smaller than the monster truck tires?
Bigger.
I think they're smaller.
So the monster truck tires are bigger. Now we can fit in them.
Uh-huh.
These ones, we can't.
Nope.
So the monster truck ones are bigger.
Yes.
Where you bring these big boys in from?
Rockford Airport.
Oh, that makes sense. Yep,
Push
that
a lot
makes
of
sense.
snow.
Yeah. Here,
Caleb, candy!
trick or treat!
Say thank you.
Let's spread the wealth, you know. What do you say?
Ooh, look at this big truck.
Look how big that snow plow is. No, you ain't even got a plow on it. It's a 24-foot plow in front of it. The broom's 22 foot. Plow in front is 24. It's huge. And this is able to shift back and forth. Swivels both ways, plus there's blowers. Big wind blowers that go up any location.
Look at Buddy. It's still all connected, one big truck.
Yeah, and then he says he puts another plow up front here.
Oh
That's
my-
bigger than this. This is a brush. And look, there's a plow here that you can put down. I think you can brush your teeth pretty good with that. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I bet.
We're not climbing. Did you want to touch the brush?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's spiky.
It's spiky. Yeah.
We can't.
Keeps the road clean.
Maybe that's why it's spiky.
Yeah. What do you think, sis?
That helped good. Now we know you gotta
Cream.
Scream.
Put that.
Aria, do you see the spooky skeleton? Over here. Over here.
Oh, cowboy with There's another little.
Oh, it's a cowboy riding a bull.
There's another little skeleton.
Another little skeleton, yeah.
Have you ever been on a bus?
Snickers.
Caleb, come here. Yeah. No. Okay, good enough.
Don't get your
take her picture.
clouds dirty.
You think you could drive one of them?
I
Huh?
want to drive a Jeep.
You touch that brush?
What brush?
The sweeper brush.
I can't even move it. Does it even go down?
No. Ooh, an ambulance is next. You okay?
Right.
Sure?
The same man as you.
Imagine that. Can you use the tire like a mirror? Can you see yourself?
Well, they're cleaned and put away. They haven't been used. I guess those are like brand new.
Yep, those are grippy so you don't slip in ice.
Really spooky. Where's the other skeleton?
In the
He's
back.
way
He's
up
way in the
there.
back. Here, look on this side, you'll see him.
This thermometer is a second.
This thermometer's a sucker.
It's not usually focused.
Oh, it's got police officers out.
Talk about distraction.
That's your turn.
It's your turn to get candies.
No,
We're moving. It's still an hour left.
Your turn.
Hi there.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
Come on, bud. Let your sister go.
Stickers!
Cool. Don't lose them. Keep them in there.
You didn't got it then. I even got it.
Okay, we'll look at it later. Stand in that.
Careful.
Careful.
Come here.
Stepping on the costume. Be careful.
Say cheese, Aria. What are you doing?
Waiting for his picture.
Say cheese.
She's sitting in the bucket.
It is Steve from my house again.
Spooky.
Steve!
Mom does it.
Huh? Steve where? Oh, yeah, Steve.
Caleb. It's the banana.
Banana. Banana.
One at a time, Aria.
I want to try to get it.
Hi, one. Hey, Aria.
Mama, can I please eat one candy? That's why I have the hiccup.
You have the candy's not gonna help your hiccups.
Why does he always get to
Don't
go
worry
first?
about it. You're even. Up there too. Is there room for more people? Yeah.
Caleb.
It's starting to blow.
Okay, Caleb, get down to let Sissy get in the seat.
Just wait, Aria.
Okay.
Woo!
Here you are.
The wind is blowing this.
A good shot.
There's a giant balloon dog.
This way.
Look. 2, 3 loaders. There's a Marshall over there, too.
Where the boat? Yes,
Yeah.
Look on the picture. What's the picture?
America.
America flag.
Let's go.
Look, there's a little chicken.
Look, there's a little pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.